story is about Captain Hog and his search for the buried treasure. Mummy, I've read all my books. I am bored. You've read all of them? Yes, even this one. And George has read all his. If we need new books, we must go to a special place. The toy shop? No, the library. The library? What's that? It's a house full of books that you can borrow.
Wow! Let's go!
Daddy! We're going to the library!
The library? I am an expert at libraries. I love reading.
The family climbs aboard the little red car.
Hooray! We're going for a drive!
The family are going for a drive in the red car.
Here we are! The library! Books! Stomp, stomp, stomp. Shh! Sorry, Miss Rabbit, whispers Peppa. This is a library. You must be very, very Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Now, Peppa, let's find you a new book. The children were very excited to be in the library.
Look, a dinosaur book.
Wow. Ooh, the Sleepy Princess. This one looks nice. And George, here is a book for you. I've got a storybook for you, George. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Shh. Dinosaur. Now, Daddy, let's find a book for you.
Good idea. I am an expert at finding books. I will find The Expert's Guide to Concrete.
That sounds very boring.
Shh. It's in the expert section.
Daddy Pig loves books, but even he is surprised by how many there are here. Now, where is that concrete book?
Gardening, cooking, history. Aha! It's all the way at the top. I need a ladder.
S-S-S-H-G. Bigay time. Daddy Pig continues very slowly. He climbs the ladder.
Almost there.
Oh. He's going to sneeze.
The sneeze is so loud, it echoes through the whole library. Achoo! Achoo! Who made that noise?
Back in the aisle, the sneeze made Daddy Pig wobble.
Oh, careful now. It seems to be shaking rather a lot.
One book falls, then another, then the entire shelf of books.
Here they are. Hello, everyone.
Hello, Daddy Pig. Daddy, are you okay?
I found my book.
I cannot believe you've done this again, Daddy Pig! I needed those papers filed yesterday, and now the whole system is backed up! Daddy Pig! You are the noisiest person in the library ever!
Sorry, Miss Rabbit.
Shh. Oh. Daddy Pig, you are not an expert at being quiet.
No, but I am an expert at making a mess.
Shh. Right, help me pick these up. quietly. Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are helping Peppa and George tie up. They must be very quiet.
Tiptoe, tiptoe.
Daddy Pig tries to put the book back on the shelf, but oh dear, he drops it. Shh. Shh. Sorry.
Finally, all the books are back.
Right, let's check out our books.
We are sneaking up on Miss Rabbit's desk. There you go, Peppa. Stamped twice.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
Stamp, stamp. And which book are you taking, Daddy Pig?
Pig?
This is the famous Book of Concrete. It details the precise mixture ratios for optimal compressive strength. Isn't that interesting, Peppa?
Are you sure? We have a new book in, The Wonderful World of Tummies.
Ooh, that sounds better.
Enjoy your books. Quietly.
Hooray! We got new books!
It's good to be loud again.
Oink, oink.
Look, there's a chicken!
Oh, look, George is waving.
Hello, Mr. Zebra.
We are almost home now, everyone.
Good night, Peppa. Good night, George. Sleep tight, my little ones.
Daddy, can you read us our new books?
Of course, I am an expert at reading. The big, big dinosaur.
Now, my book, The Sleepy Princess.
Once upon a time.
And then the princess found a muddy puddle?
A muddy puddle? Really?
No, I'm just joking.
The dinosaur was very happy, and they all lived happily ever after.
Good night, my little Peppa.
Good night, my little pigs.
The Wonderful Whirl of Tummies. Chapter 1, The Rumbly Tummy. Ooh, this is an exciting book.
Daddy Pig, you're the noisiest one in this house, too.